Hi, I'm Biplab speaking. In this video, I am going to explain our first step for researching Amazon product. So let's start. Before research product, we need supplier inventory file or product data feed. For getting that file, we have to know how to get that file from each supplier. There are three ways to get that file from each supplier. So here we can explain how to get that. Before that, you should remind that you should get in your mind that whatever it is, we must log in from each supplier to go to their website. This is must. So now we can explain the three process. The process number one, here is a Blu-rays file, information file. Actually, we got that from Asad, and if we collect this supplier file, we have to mail them, and they will send you their inventory file for that particular month. So this is the easy way actually. And the another process is process number 2. If you collect the inventory file like Frontier, here this is a Frontier information sheet. We click here and go to their website, and this is their website. We already log in. If there is so then we scroll down to the bottom, and over there I got data feed, and we click over here, and then I will got another page like this, wholesale category. We have to collect from here, and for that click here, and you will get the download file that is for our using to research. So this is the third way, and Moting supplier have to follow this way. So now we have to go to another way, that is third number process, and that is we have to go RSR information file, and over here you have to understand that there have some supplier who have own FTP server, and if we collect the inventory of that supplier, then we have to go to their FTP server, and for doing so we have to use FileZilla FTP server using their username, password, and hosting name. And if we set over here, and then we collect the file from here. And also there is another way, we have to use our own computer browser. That is the another way. Actually, this three type of process to collect the inventory file from each supplier, and this video for showing this three type process. And next video we will show the practical process how to collect from each supplier the inventory file. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.